Good morning, students. This is your physics class. Hope you all are fine. And we have already studied this chapter, measurement and mass and density. In previous videos, we have already discussed about this chapter. What is mass? We are very familiar to mass. It is the quantity of matter contained in a body it occupies. The mass of a body does not vary from place to place. It remains constant everywhere. We have seen in videos, these are the different units of the mass: milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectagram, kilograms, quintals, etc. We have already also seen the different ways of measuring these mass. These are measured by using different types of balance. They are called as weighing machines, you can also call. They are standard weights, the beam balance, spring balance, etc. We have seen how the beam balance and spring balance act. See, this is a physical balance. A physical balance show always an accurate measurement. That is why it is used in jewelry shop and laboratories. Beam balance. Beam balance are used at grocer's shop, vegetable sellers, vendors, etc. They use beam balance. Spring balance. Spring balance. Entire system is kept inside the metallic stand. The spring balance works on the principle of elongation of the spring. Densities. We have also discussed about densities. What is density? Object has mass and it occupies space. The space occupied by object is called its volume, and the mass of the quantity of the matter contained per unit volume of the object is known as its density. What is the formula of density? Density is equals to mass upon the volume. SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. We have also seen difference between mass and weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Weight, a weight of a body is a force with which it attracts the earth. Mass remains constant everywhere. Weight varies from place to place. Mass is measured by using a beam balance. Weight is measured by using a spring balance. The SI unit of mass is kg, that is kilogram. The SI unit of weight is kilogram weight. Mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. We have also seen different densities of different matter, that is solids, density of solids, density of liquid. Relative density. We have also studied about relative density. What is relative density? Relative density is the relation term between. Very often we get confused to talk about density of an object in comparison to and about other objects, saying this is lighter and that is heavier. To avoid this confusion, we relate the density of various substances of the density of water. This relation termed as relative density. Relative density of the water. See, we have discussed about flotation and sinking. Why the object float, some objects float, and why some objects sink in the water. Iron nail sinks in the water because the density of iron nail is more than the density of iron nail and density of iron ship. The iron nail sinks in the water and the iron ship floats in the water. Why? Because the density of iron nail is more than the water, but the density of iron ship is less than the water. Its bottom has huge cavity filled with air, which reduces the ship's average density. That is why it floats in the water and the iron nail sinks in the water. So students, your homework is to solve the given exercises. Mark the question answers. Mark all the questions in your book. I will be sharing a PDF of this chapter, first chapter. Write the notes in your copy. Use only black and blue gel pen, and you have to use interleaf register. See, you have to write all this question in your copy. Thank you, students.